Hey guys, it's Bria Larine, and today I'm going to show you how I installed this super cute U-part wig, so keep watching. Special thanks to Nappy Hair Extensions, also known as KRS Group, for sending me this U-part wig. It came to me in the satin bag, perfect for protecting the hair. This Kinky Coarse U-part wig is premium 100% human hair that can be washed, conditioned, blow-dried, and flat ironed. You can find this wig and plenty other options at KRSHairGroup.com. The wig comes with clips installed on the inside to keep it secure and has an adjustable strap in the bag. I'm first going to remove the lace along the hairline and in the U-part so I can put the wig on, of course. I've already washed, conditioned, and allowed the hair to air dry. You want to be careful not to cut the hair where the lace is. Your wig should look like this once it's done. I put my hair into 4 braids, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and bobby pinned in the back. For my leave out, I left out about 1 inch of hair. I just flat twist and bantu knotted just to keep it out my way. I'm going to put the wig on, starting from the back and then securing the wig along the sides and moving up towards the front. You want to make sure that the wig is comfortably on, so don't dig the clips into your scalp. So the wig is on, and I'm now going to just take out my leave out and put it in the middle part. Grabbing the new Eden Body Works Hibiscus and Honey Blow Dry Cream, I'm going to apply this to my hair and the extensions to protect and smooth my hair. I'm going to make sure the products are evenly distributed, so I'm going to do some detangling before I dry my hair. I'm putting the dryer on high speed and high heat and using my detangling brush to smooth my hair and the wig. This technique allows for me to blend my hair with the wig. My hair is now blow dry and blends seamlessly with the wig. Next, I'm just going to grab my favorite edge control, but for my curly girls, don't use a water-based edge control gel because it will revert your edges like it did mine. And this is the final look. I love it. It looks so natural. I was thinking about curling it, but I never wear my hair straight, so I'm overdue for the switch up. You can find this wig and other extensions at KRSHairGroup.com. See you in my next video. Peace. Love you.